Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Shadowban on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix Shadowban on TikTok, what you need to do is follow these steps. Now the first step that you need to do is follow the community guidelines provided by TikTok, and remember to not use any offensive words in your video which might lead your account to be banned. Right now, once you have done this too, the next thing that you can do is open up your TikTok app, and once you're inside here, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside your profile page, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside, scroll down until you find cache and shelter, and then tap on the option free up space. Now tap on clear and then tap on clear to clear the cache, and do it same for the download as well. On doing this, that should fix the issue. Now the next thing that you need to do is go back and check to see any flag contents or reported content that might be causing your account to be banned. So simply just open up the video and then tap on the three dot icon, and here's on the bottom bar, scroll to the right and you'll find an option that says delete. Simply delete the video, and once you have done that, that should probably fix your issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.